Thanks, Professor Coffey, and it's an opportunity to come here. I was just amazed with the lovely building and the very civilized lunch. We don't have that in Galway, by the way, in case that you know that you are not treated well. You're treated very well in here. Okay, let's start. You'll never be the same again after what I want to show you today. So we could see exactly what happened since then. The repair practice volume is activity that explicitly intended to improve performance, reaches for objectives just beyond one's level of competence, provides feedback on results, and involves high level of repetition. 10 years is the rule. It's the minimum, not the average. You're going to say that what I'm doing while I'm still being treated like this because you don't have enough experience and you lack the knowledge. You need between 20 to 25 years before hitting your zenith. When I'm going to be like you? A lot of hard work and at least 10,000 hours of very, very hard work. And I don't think any of you will be able to do that with the current system. So that's why where AI will step in, because it's impossible now with your social life and all what's happening around us. We don't have time to dedicate as we used to do. Just to make things clearer for you, 73% of adults have cardiovascular disease, and adult here is anyone above the age of 40. 44% will have cardiovascular disease in 2030 because of the way our life has changed. 32% of all global deaths are due to cardiovascular disease, and it is increasing. This is the third reason why precision cardiovascular medicine is needed. I will not read it for you, but you can see from the pharma to image-guided precision, to advanced therapies, to biomarker-guided therapy, to digital twin technology, and surgical intervention precision. And the more we dig in, the more we find more reason why we need this.
Medical device industry is huge. They constitute a $156 billion market in the US, and more people have one than you might think. About 32 million Americans, that's 1 in 10, have at least one medical device implanted in their bodies. That's right. All these years we've been waiting anxiously for the robot apocalypse, and it turns out the robot apocalypse was inside us.
A lot of people are resisting the change, but I'll show you why we must have that change. Diagnostic error with lethal outcome. Aortic pathology, as an example, is a time-critical medical emergency with an 80% survival rate when diagnosed and treated on time, whether you have aortic dissection or ruptured abdominal aortic angles. Believe it or not, 167,000 people lose their life every day due to aortic disease. 50% with aortic dissection are misdiagnosed. Some of them diagnosed as liver cell failure, some of them diagnosed as severe pneumonia, some of them are diagnosed with other problems that have no relation to the aorta. And one-third, 1 in 3 patients treated for the wrong condition. And this is another major issue. 11% cardiovascular maternal deaths are due to aortic dissection that has been missed during labor.
6 sigma for a very complex. We just launched the first implant with a plasticated graft. And as you can see that we go with 6 sigma, we don't go from 1 to 2 except we have done first. We don't go from 11 to 12 except we have done 11 first. Regardless, we don't change. When you have this, the amount of mistakes goes to less than 0.01. The outcome doesn't matter, but at least you do not create havoc for the patient. You have to understand that any little problem that you create is impossible to correct in this complex technology.
So as you can see that we started applying the aviation industry 6 Sigma in our theater in order to minimize our problems. And in fact, it has made things so easy and smooth that it's very important for everybody to understand what we're doing step by step. Now, this is a publication from the UK Workforce Consensus on our friend from the radiology department. A radiologist working 8 hours per day has 2 to 3 seconds to review and report images. That's why they miss some stuff that you're looking for. 3 in 25 of all radiological diagnoses are errors, and they couldn't come on, they write an amendments, and then it's too late. Increasing workplace increases error rate up to 73%. An AI and data analysis will pioneer a new division of medicine. This professional hybrid physician, power computer engineer, and data scientist will increasingly embark on a new role and shift from Oracle. We used to be Oracle. Talk to Professor Coffey will tell you, we used to come in, decide everything. We saw that we are oracles. We changed completely now. We're becoming counselors because we need to come to explain to the patient how the algorithm of that decision have been used and how we reach to that algorithm in order to take that decision. And then we need to be changed to the commander, which is part physician, part computer engineer, and data scientist. Transforming antiquated medical education through AI and big data analysis both will set to pioneer a new era in precision medicine, redefining vascular disease management. Future-proofing of vascular research by building a resilient workforce equipped with advanced scientific insight and predictive tools to address modern challenges with confidence. Vascomic identifies specific marker driving sag loss or stability over time, offering tools for precision monitoring and patient-specific intervention. We got that through a big grant from the EU. Future direction, integration of Vascomic and gene therapy, delivery technologies, and microbiome manipulation will transform cardiovascular management by enabling safe, efficient, and targeted intervention, improving patient outcome and life expectancy. The creation of AI-empowered health specialists is crucial for a brighter, sustained green future. It's mandatory to understand the way algorithms are created, as medical practitioners will rely heavily on such contemporary technology which might not always perform as expected. Machine language algorithm training is mandatory to abolish and lessen the risks of bias. There is no fate except what we make, and this is our dream to be done in Galway, and hopefully it will come true.